Hey everyone, I'm Asad from Mattermost, and today we're previewing user-created AI agents and external tool support in Mattermost. This solution enables teams to bring their external tools right into the workflow in Mattermost. Powered by MCP, the Model Context Protocol, agents connect securely to their favorite tools like Jira, GitHub, Figma, and so on. That means that they don't just chat, they can automate real workflows directly in channels. Users can create their own agents customized to the way they work without waiting on system admins. At the same time, admins approve which services are trusted so teams get flexibility with clear guardrails, balancing empowerment with governance. In this demo, let's take a look at what this unlocks. Imagine you're a project manager monitoring the broken Windows channel in Mattermost. The channel is dedicated to tracking bugs and issues within the product. A new UX issue gets reported by the team. Normally, this would involve several back and forth steps, checking to see if an issue exists, creating a new ticket if it doesn't, linking designs from Figma to the ticket, having someone fix the issue, so on and so forth. But here's where the DevOps agent comes in. When asked, the agent checks Jira for an existing ticket. Since none is found, it automatically creates a new ticket and attaches the relevant Figma link and the thread context. Next, on request, it creates a GitHub PR to fix the issue, referencing the Figma spec to guide the changes. Finally, it assigns reviewers automatically based on code ownership, ensuring the right people are pulled in without the project manager having to chase them around. This entire workflow, ticket creation, PR generation, review assignment, happens seamlessly inside Mattermost, right in the channel where the discussion is already happening. Now let's have a look at how this DevOps agent looks like on the user configuration end. In the configuration tab, you can see the agent's display name, username, avatar, which service powers it, and any custom instructions. In this case, it is powered by ChatGPT 4.0. The services in this dropdown are going to be configured by the system admin on the system. Under access, the creator of this agent can control which channels and users have access to the agent. For example, it can be scoped to only certain channels or made available organization-wide. Finally, in the MCPs tab, you see the real power. This agent is connected to Jira, GitHub, Figma, and Cursor. That means it can pull information, take action, and provide responses using these approved tools, all without leaving Mattermost. In this list, you can also see some other tools enabled by the system administrator to be used in Mattermost. Different users and use cases within Mattermost can have their own agent. For example, a security analyst in your organization might create an AI agent that parses logs, highlights anomalies, and posts alerts. With the ability to have user-generated AI agents, we give the power to the users to configure and use these agents however they deem fit. We're excited about the potential of MCP support and user-level AI agents to streamline your workflows and empower teams at every level. We would love to hear what you think about this conceptual design preview and any suggestions you might have for its improvements.